Hello everyone, here is a quick video on how to install the floor for the deck box. So as you can see, these floorboards will just tongue and groove together like that. But if you keep adding them just like that, this last one is going to be too big for the floor. So usually what I do is I will remove this one and install these two, and then all these. And this one, all you have to do is you wedge it in like this. And I'm going to try to do it with the phone in my hand, but if this one is up and this one is up like a tent, so it's like on an angle, they'll both snap down into place perfectly. So I'm going to try it here. So I'm reaching under the deck box with my arm, poking it up like that, and you can see if I just kind of align it like this, and then all I have to do is press it into place, and then it fits perfectly fine. So that's how you put the floor into the deck box.